Now button press. சொல்லுங்க.
ஒரே நிமிஷம். மணி சார் ஜாயின் பண்ணிட்டாங்க.
ஓகே
மணினா
Happy morning, sir.
ஹாப்பி மார்னிங் மணினா.
Morning. Happy morning.
Happy morning, sir. Happy morning, sir.
Happy morning.
So,
Now you want us to teach acupressure points, no?
Yeah, I'll be.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Just give me a minute. Can you see this?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So did you try to practice these first 5 pressure points? Did you? The last time. L1, L2, L3, L4, and L5. You are on mute, Yamini.
It's on our index finger right now. If I'm not
Yes,
wrong.
yes.
Around the nails.
Yes. This is what? L1, L2, L3, L4, and L5. Till the first line. From the edge of this, the teeth line, that finger, nail line. From this side, we are going to have this 4 points. Did you practice it?
So,
This L1 for?
so throat.
To take numbness at tip of index finger. Redness.
Okay. Li2. Li means?
Liver.
Liver, exactly. So these are all the pressure points related to the liver. So in acupressure, so majorly we will be going on, large intestine. These are the large intestine points. So what are all the issues related to the large intestine? We will be handling with these things. Okay.
Yes,
So all these issues are related to the large intestine. So I might be mistaken last time, but the concept which I told about liver, that's right. This is about large intestine. Okay. So this is
LI stands for large intestine, is it not? It's
yes.
not liver.
Yes.
Okay.
For liver, we'll have a different thing. Yeah. And Li2?
Toothache, sore throat, redness and pain of the eye.
Yes. Li3?
To take sore throat, fever, redness and swelling of fingers and
Or some of the hand.
Yes. Li4?
Disease of the head.
Yes.
And face pain.
Face painkiller point of the body.
The point of the body.
Super. And LFI?
Frontal headache, confusion, swelling and pain on the eyes to take.
Okay. So all of you take any pen or pencil and first you'll practice it. Then we'll go with the next 5 points.
Okay, sir.
Take a, yeah, pen or pencil. And do it in your right index finger.
Yes.
Right index finger. And have any pen or pencil, the pen which is already over, the empty refill one. So that
Okay.
when you apply force, it will not mark actually. But before to that, the step 1 is first identify that point and mark it. See, exactly. This is what the right index finger. First, LI1. First, locate that point. Step 1 is locating that point. Step 2 is mark that point. Okay, this is the red color, right? Mark it. Then you start doing it. Yeah. Exactly. Look at this. So that is the reason why we have it is very closely. If you want me to, I don't think. Yeah. Do you want me to zoom even more?
No, sir. Enough, sir.
It's clear, Mani sir, showing
Yeah.
well.
So, because these points are very, very minute and we need to be more careful while marking it. Okay. First, locating itself is the first biggest challenge. We need to locate properly. Even if you miss one point, that will lead to a different treatment. Hope you got my point, right? So each and every point is a different point, and this is a meridian point. So meridian point or energy point, acupressure point or Sujok point. So it has a different names. So locating that point is very, very important. That is a crucial step. Step 2 is mark that point, because we are working on this, right? Even the experts also do the same thing. Mark it. Only that the subject matter experts who are most topmost experienced, they directly do it without marking. But always it's better to mark it and cross check, so that you will have a confident, yes, I'm doing it on the right point. And before to that, first understand what actually their problem is. Okay. So this is also again a problem. If someone is coming for fever, you give a headache tablet, what will happen? Okay, first you need to understand what is their problem is all about clearly. For that, you need to understand your body system, how our body works, the whole body, the functionality. If you want to become a perfect practitioner, if you wanted to give your 100%, what is that? 100% towards this treatment, first thing you should understand the biological facts about functionalities about our human body. Only then you can easily help the people to get cured through this zero budget treatment. Hope you got my point, because it doesn't mean that the diseases will be like a ready-made kind of a thing. Hey, you need a what is that? Small size, take this. Medium size, take this. Large size, take this. So there would be a people who will come with a long time diseases. There would be a people who come a first time kind of a diseases. There would be a people who will be having a mixed diseases. There will be people who will be having a complex diseases. Got it? So there would be a kind of people. So Gopi sir would be aware of all those aspects since he is already into the ground. So we will be having a different kind of people. First, we need to understand it clearly. The first step is make a note of it. Whoever comes to us, First, listen to them carefully. First, ask them to sit properly. Ask them to share what they feel and what they require. First, information report. FIR, how the police will file the first information report. Similarly, we need to prepare a first information report. What our client says, we call them as a client, not a patient. Okay.
Yes. Yes,
So
sir.
what our client says, we need to listen carefully. That is active listening, not a distracted listening. Whenever we are listening to clients, make sure no one disturbs us. No one allows. Okay. When we have an interaction with our client, it should be only you and your client is supposed to sit opposite to you, not next to you. You should look at their eyes. You should face at their face. You should have it's not an eye contact, it is eye connect. Okay, most of the people says we should have an eye contact, but being a psychologist, counselor or a therapist, you should have an eye connect. When you connect with them, with your feelings, with your emotions, with your actions, they will be open up. They will have a trust. Okay, this is the way you can set up your counseling or a therapy sessions. Always remember they should sit in front of you, not next to you or not behind you. Okay, so it should be kind of always use a mirror technique. However, the way they are responding, you respond in their way. So, however they are talking, you probe it. Sir, I have a headache. Oh, you have a headache. So, which means you use the word which they end up with this, so that you are using the same terminology. Okay, when may I know whenever you are feeling the headache? Okay, sir, before sleeping, I'm getting a lot of headaches, sir. I'm not getting a proper sleep. Okay, so by what time you are sleeping? Sir, I sleep after 12 o'clock, sir. Oh, after 12 o'clock you sleep. So, do you have any kind of a work pressure? So, this is how you will be understanding. So, can we work it out? Sleeping, at least, I'm not telling sleep by 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock immediately. Can you start reduce it by half an hour? So, you are sleeping by 12 o'clock. Can you try it to sleep by 11:30? Can you try to sleep by 11? Can you try to sleep by 10:30? So slowly reducing it, and we give the treatment also. So the ultimate goal is to give the treatment, but help them to reduce it, because the reason why he is getting that sleeping problems is he is not sleeping for entire 8 hours. That is very, very essential. That's a mandatory thing. Our body requires sleep. That is a relaxation. Unless they sleep properly, they cannot get the proper things. The most of the cases related to the sleep only. 98%, including me, I'm saying. I'm not getting a 8 hours, complete 8 hours sleep because of all those, even though in spite I'm not working, in spite I'm not earning, I'm spending most of the times in various activities. I'm working for a Gurukulam, I'm working for Empower, I'm working for my own growth. I'm learning. So I'm a student. So I'm working for myself. I'm working. I have to spend time with my family. I have to spend time with my pet. So these are all the various aspects. And in between, I need to interact with my friends and my clients. So these are all the things where I need to involve. So that takes a lot of time, and so I feel somehow I need to spend some time for myself also. So the sleeping actually matters a lot. Okay. So look at these aspects, and I request you people to, the first step, what I suggest is, I think I have shared this document only with you people, right? Now Change Makers group. So you have the thing. So daily I would be updating this document. So we have a different days, different things. So you start with one by one. What you can do is in change makers group, you first locate one point, each point. You locate one point and you talk about that point and ask everyone to mark it and send it in the group. Got it? Only the change makers. You do it. You mark the point and you talk about that point. You send a picture. Okay. Let's do 1 point 1 day. 1 point therapy. We call it as 1 point therapy. Is it fine? So that
We have
in
to
a-
send to the change makers group, na?
sorry,
We are supposed to send to the change makers group, is
exactly.
it?
That this
Okay.
entire zero budget treatment is completely designed for change makers group. Okay, so which means it's an additional project for you people. So along with our existing normal empower sessions, make sure you practice it. So when you get into a buddy system from October 1st onwards, you can start teaching the same thing to your buddies. We call it as 1 point therapy. Okay, 1 day, 1 point. You talk about 1 point. Let us say today we are starting this. Today we talk about LI1. So LI1 is all about sore throat, toothache, numbers, and tip of index fingers and deafness. So how we will be doing it? You practice it, and you do with some family member, and you do with your neighbor, and you do with your friend, and you do try with someone. At least minimum with the 5 members, you try it in your circle. Okay, you need to try yourself. You need to try with your family member. You need to try with your friend. You need to try with your neighbor. You need to try with your colleague or someone whom you know. Okay, the 5 members, minimum 5 members. When you practice it, take a picture of their marking position. The reason why I am asking to take a picture of this marking position is to check whether you are doing it in a right way or not. Okay, the purpose of picture is not to share anywhere. This is for ourselves only. Hope you got my point, right? That 5 members, please make sure. Okay, is that clear? This is a project and exclusively designed for you. And guys, I'm telling you again, this costs almost 1,50,000 rupees, this entire thing, if you wanted to do it outside exclusively. But we are giving it completely for free of cost. We are giving it. And we are going to, once you get practitioner in this zero budget treatment, 1 point therapy, and you are going to treat them for free of cost only for the community. And if anybody want to make it as a commercial size, I want to charge it, it's up to you. I am giving whatever I learned, I am sharing it for you people. And not just like simply sharing, I want you to practice it every day. Hope I'm clear. Any
Yes,
doubts?
No.
Okay.
No,
So
sir.
what we are supposed to do, can someone say, summarize so that we'll quickly join the task, because they would be waiting for us.
Each day we have to select one point. We have to mark it, locate it exactly the point on our finger.
Yes.
Then mark it.
Yes.
After that, we have to practice on ourselves. Then our
After
family
marking,
member,
what we are supposed to do?
we have to apply pressure on that point.
No. After marking, you need to do something.
We have to take a picture of it.
Exactly. You need to take a picture and send it in the group to cross verify. Whenever whoever sends the picture, the first thing you all need to do, you all supposed to do, everyone in the change makers group, check whether that point is right or not. Okay, each and every one of you, I'm saying. So okay, Yamini responded, I'm not supposed to. No. Each and everyone has to respond for each picture stating, yes, this is right, exactly you are located. Yes, ma'am, perfect, very good. Give a positive unconditional stroke. Yes, superb, very good. So okay, So you
Thank
say
you.
whenever someone says yes, this is correct, we all will be happy. Okay. So that is the
Yes.
thing. So you do with that picture and everyone respond with that point. And if possible, you take the picture of this point and you do a collage, your point and actual this point. Got it? You just take
now-
this line alone. Okay. This one and your picture. You do the collage. Left side, the original one, right side, your picture. So even you can do the collage with all the 5 members along with this main picture. 6 members collage also you can do it together. Okay, the first one you do with the comparison. The left one is the original one and right one is yours one. This is the first picture. Second picture, you practice with the 5 members, right? That 5 members along with this original make a 6 figures collage. Okay, make sure you take a proper picture. Okay, with the complete focus. Sometimes we will not take a proper picture. So make sure we have a focus. In mobile, we will be having a focal point. When you click on it, that image will, wherever you click it, that image will be focused. Remaining things will be blurred. So you please be cautious in the taking a picture also, so that we will be focusing on that. Is it clear? The way of taking a picture is also an art. Photography is also an art. So that is the one thing. And we remember today's point is LI1. LI means
Large intestine.
exactly. We are going to work on the diseases related to large intestine only. Okay. All these aspects. These are all. And then we will go with the another one. This is a UB, this is a different one. Urinary bladder. This is the second one. Okay. So in LI, we have totally 20 points. Okay. It takes 20 days. Starting from today, it takes 20 days. Remember. Got it? So we are going to do this for next 20 days, large intestine points, and the last 10 days we can have internally our own question and answers. Okay, we'll have an exam. Once we clear it off, once we clear with all the large intestine points, then we will go with the urinary bladder. Is it clear? Is it
Okay,
fine?
now.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
So does it make sense? So don't be in a hurry that I want to learn everything. Learning is a different from practicing. Empower, that is the beauty in Empower. We are practicing. When you are practicing, do it with a complete focus and attention. Okay. Wish you all the best, guys, and welcome to the world of zero budget treatment. We are creating. This is a moment. Remember, this is a moment. Like how we are working with making a happily living world. This is like healthy living world. Okay, we are making the
Okay,
people
Manish, sir.
healthy without even a single penny.
Living-
Does it cost anything?
No, sir.
Exactly. That is what we are going to do. Okay. So wish you all the
Okay,
best,
Manish.
and I'm so happy to have you all people in this great family. Okay. See you.
Thank you.
And
Thank
hope
you,
you
Manish,
like
sir.
that Empower Index. Did you like it?
Sure.
Thank you for that beautiful picture, Dhanalakshmi ma'am. I'm trying to see if we can give a certificates. We'll see. We'll work it out on that model. Okay. Yamini, soon get that thing where you can update it so that that will reduce my burden. Okay.
Sure, now. Sure.
Sure.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
ma'am.
Let's switch to task. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you, Manish, sir.
Thank you.
Sir.